Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of x plus number 2. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this. This one we change by u. E to the power of x dx we change by du. The integration of sine u, that is about negative cosine u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.